Hello, I am T.S. Malesar Prasad, Chairman for the Bharatiya Vajra Party. We give different kinds of plannings or hints to the governments and to the people of India and to the many departments in the country to solve many issues in the country. And coming to the point, we suggest the ISRO the following two changes for the successful launching of the ISRO missions. Our BVP is suggesting ISRO to use one, the Cartosat 3 series of India's most advanced indigenous optical Earth observation satellite cameras in the orbiter in all planetary missions by the ISRO because of its highest resolution and it will be immensely useful to the global scientific community in the world. And the second point is we have to include 2 or 3 or 4 lander modules in the orbiter in each and every mission with auto intelligence and remote controlling with predefined different locations. Certainly, this will increase the capacity of studying in multiple ways and locations without losing the time and also for our military. If not, if there is a single lander module, if it fails when it is launching, the total experiment will be failed. So we have to take some extra precautions for the successful missions. An important suggestion to the ISRO, some modifications in Chandrayaan's lander and also in any other series of experiments. Chandrayaan 2 mission was launched on a geosynchronous satellite launching vehicle Mark 3, that is GSLV Mk3 M1 with an approximate lift of mass of 3,850 kgs. It means 8,490 pounds from Satish Dhawan Space Center on Sriharikota Island of Andhra Pradesh. This was a unique mission which aimed at studying not just one area of the moon but all the areas combining the exosphere, the surface as well as the subsurface of the moon in a single mission. The orbiter has already been placed in its intended orbit around the moon and shall enrich our understanding of the moon's evolution and mapping of the minerals and the water molecules in the polar regions. Using its 8 state-of-the-art scientific instruments, our BVP is suggesting to use the Cartosat 3 satellites camera as the orbiter camera for the highest resolution, and it will be immensely useful to the global scientific community. Chandrayaan 2, India's second lunar mission, has 3 modules, namely orbiter, lander on the name of Vikram, and rover on the name of Pragyan. The orbiter and lander modules will be interfaced mechanically. They are stacked together as an integrated module and accommodated inside the GSLV Mk3 launch vehicle. The rover is housed inside the lander. The lander rover module is a mass of about 1250 kg. After launch into earthbound orbit by GSLV Mk3, the integrated module will reach moon orbit using orbiter propulsion module. Subsequently, lander will separate from the orbiter and soft land at the predetermined site close to the lunar ground. Furthermore, the rover will roll out for carrying out scientific experiments on the lunar surface. Instruments are also mounted on lander and orbiter for carrying out scientific experiments. In the previous Chandrayaan 2 mission, the landing of the rover and lander was failed at a distance of 2.1 kilometers. Our BVP is suggesting in including 2 or 3 or 4 lander modules in the orbiter in each and every mission with auto intelligence and remote controlling with predefined different locations. This will increase the capacity of studying in multiple ways and locations without losing the time. Lunar or any other planetary missions of ISRO consists of an orbiter, lander and rover. Chandrayaan 2 is an ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, mission comprising the orbiter craft and the lander craft. The primary objectives of the Chandrayaan 2 lander were to demonstrate the ability to soft land and operate a robotic rover on the lunar surface. The scientific goals of the orbiter are to study lunar topography, mineralogy, elemental abundance, the lunar exosphere, and signature of hydroxyl and water ice. We suggested to use the Cartosat 3 satellite series of India's most advanced indigenous optical Earth observing satellite cameras in the orbiter in other planetary missions by the ISRO.
This series of satellites are a part of the Indian remote sensing program and are used for Earth's resource management, defense services, and monitoring. It has highly advanced remote sensing capability. It has a panchromatic resolution of 0.25 meters, making it the imaging satellite with the highest resolution in the world, and MX of 1 meter with a high quality resolution Cartosat 3. This replaced the WorldView 4, an American satellite with a resolution of 31 centimeter. It was also image across multiple spectra. Panchromatic captures all visible colors of light. Multispectral captures light within specific ranges in the electromagnetic spectrum, and hyperspectral captures light from across the electromagnetic spectrum. Planetary observation mission. Panchromatic indicates its site in the visible part of the spectrum. Cartosat 3 has a ground resolution of 0.25 meters with 16 kilometers swath. This means the satellite can pick up an object that is 25 centimeters long in an area 16 kilometers wide, which means its sensors can detect a feature of that size 25 centimeters from the altitude of around 506 kilometers in which it orbits.
Such a type of technology can be used in space for the benefits of our country, including the military. Thank you.